angles. Yeah? And you can give us tea, you can give us sass. Hi, my name is Brittney Griffin, and I am a 2002 Schenectady High School graduate. Currently, I live in New York City, and I am the associate choreographer of a Broadway show called Kimberly Akimbo. After I graduated, I went to the University at Buffalo. I got a BFA in dance. Before I went out into touring and working on various shows, I actually worked at Schenectady High School in the dance program. I've been coming up to Schenectady, I think since October. So I come a couple days out of the month. And what we've been doing with this first workshop is really just getting students familiar with auditioning and the process of how to audition, what that looks like. What do you bring? How do you prepare yourself? What music do you bring? How do you choose the music? What does an audition room look like? What does it feel like? What do you do when you come in? The do's and don'ts. Literally anything that they would need to know when they go into an audition room is all of the things that we've been focusing on. It's exciting just working with them, and especially seeing where we started in October, with so many of them being scared to even stand up in front of the room, to now I'm throwing things at them and they're just acclimating immediately. So seeing from where we started in October at point A to seeing where we are now is super fulfilling and exciting. They need to see people who look like them. We always say representation matters. And a lot of times, even though people say it, they say it and we don't see it and it doesn't happen. So, Schenectady High School has a super diverse population. That's what I love. You don't see that often. I travel all over and teach at different schools. It's very rare to see a school this diverse. So I love that I can come back here and be a representation for them, of them seeing a Black and brown woman doing things that they can also do. And that it's not out of reach, right? I was born here, I was raised here, and I've traveled the world. I'm doing all kinds of things. I still come back. You can still give back to your community and do all the things you love. There's nothing out of reach.